Hey guys, I bet you know what this is. A 44-inch Hampton Midili. And I got the remote to it, so let's take a video of it and show you guys what this fan is all about. So, I got introduced to this fan online. Well, one of my friends introduced me to it. And this fan is actually really, it's really cute looking. It's a 44-inch, like I said. It's on a very high ceiling, that's why I can't really reach it. But features that it does got is it's a brushed nickel with a black type of blades, and as you can see, it got a dimmer, low, medium, and high. I only used it on low, and this is the fan off switch. And there's the Hampton Bay logo. All right, let's do this. See, isn't that cool? How cool is that? I just clicked it. Alright, maybe it's better this way. Isn't that so cool? Anyways, let's turn on low. There we go. I'm putting the remote control over here. Yeah. This fan's also controlled by this switch. See? Isn't that cool? I always love that feature. It's so cool. Don't know why, don't care. I just think it's really cool. And I can actually feel some air. It's actually really nice. And that's a little pen mark on me. I was testing out a pen for a friend of ours. He had to do paperwork, so I had to get a pen for him, and I had tested it. Alright, medium. See if it turned up. Yeah, it did. Sweet. I love this fan. I want one. I really want one. I'm surprised I'm raising my hand up this far. Alright. Now, let's turn on high. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. It's awesome. Can just barely reach up there. Get on the bed. Because this is a high ceiling. Whoa. I almost took myself over. We'll check out the other side color. I have the blades. There's a second. I need to... Alright. Alright, turn this off. Oh wait. I'll take the remote with me and put it in my pocket. Alright. Alright, what is the color? It's kind of like the San Marino, I'm not sure. Here, we'll just turn on low. Like the way it was. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And take care, guys.